Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 1, Shiva's Blessing by Aditya Sharma from Unit 2, Comprehension. Shiva Kumar was born in a poor family. His father, an out-of-work lorry driver, Narendra, and his mother would sell garlands. Shiva too had to work to earn their living. He got up at 4 a.m. and sold newspapers at households and offices. Still, it was very difficult for him for to continue his studies and education, as he did not have enough money to pay his school fees. So, he was always in search of some additional income source. Shiva, despite being the cleverest student in the class, couldn't attend the lectures regularly. Shiva requested Krishna Vaidyansa to help him pay his education fees. Krishna Vaidyansa plays an essential role in Shiva's success journey. It was Krishna who realized Shiva's potential and provided help for paying his school fees every year. Krishna encouraged Shiva to believe in himself and stay focused with the target. Krishna invited Shiva to come over his place and prepare for mock interview and group discussion. At every juncture of his life, Krishna gave him a moral support. Though he was a practical man, he treated Shiva as his own child. Shiva kept his words and made this achievement for Krishna. Though Shiva joined coaching classes of CAT exam, he always stayed out due to his busy work schedule. Shiva, after completing graduation, started preparing for CAT examination. As it was one of the toughest exams in the world, Krishna helped him to join some coaching classes. But due to his tough and busy work schedule, Shiva couldn't attend the lectures regularly. He collected notes and old CAT exam question papers and started preparing at home. Soon he cleared the written examination and went to Krishna's home to prepare for mock interview and group discussion. He kept on watching news on TV and reading current affairs with full rigor. He finally passed the CAT exam and got offers from 6 IIM. He ended up taking admission in IIM Calcutta. Shiva's hard work in his studies made him a successful country manager at Sri Lanka branch. He achieved his feat not just by sitting at one place but by taking lots of efforts. At the very early age, he started doing odd jobs of selling newspapers, garlands, and washing cars. He was a sincere and trustworthy person. That's why Krishna Vaidyansa believed in him and became ready to pay his school fees every year. He is a helpful boy. He helps weak students in some lessons in class. He also helps his family to uplift their finances. Shiva is also a good skillful entrepreneur because he makes a good newspaper selling business and expand it gradually. He also works at an electronic shop and later on repairing computer. Despite getting a reputable job in a multinational company, he decided to start his own business. Krishna Vaidyansa plays a very essential role in Shiva's success journey. It was Krishna who realized Shiva's potential and provided help for paying his school fees every year. Shiva knew that he could achieve this success just because of the presence of the noble man like Krishna Vaidyansa in his life. Krishna helped Shiva for paying his school fees and coaching classes fee, and also he provided him great moral support to pass one of the toughest CAT exam. Shiva thought if he also joins in Krishna's humanitarian work, there can be many poor and needy children who will get benefited and get a chance to study further. Shiva wanted to spread awareness of this great work among many people. Truly, it's the noble man Krishna's blessing that provided Shiva a platform to soar up high and fulfill his dream. So that's all about Shiva's Blessing, written by Aditya Sharma. I hope you all have understood the whole lesson very well. And you will definitely take some moral from this lesson and you will also do the same in future. Thank you students. Have a nice day.